Some exponential equations are disguised trinomials, as in the following example. It is said to be disguised because x to the 1 over 4 multiplied by x to the 1 over 4 is equal to x to the half. So in other words, x to the 1 over 4 squared is equal to x to the half. So what I can do then is I can factorize the above expression. I will have two brackets as per normal factorization of trinomials. We'll have x to the quarter, x to the quarter, because x to the quarter multiplied by x to the quarter is x to the half, and then here I will have minus 2 and minus 1, which will be equal to 0. So if these two brackets are equal to 0, when we multiply them together, then either that is equal to 0 or that is equal to 0. So in other words, x to the 1 over 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, or x to the power of 1 over 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. We then go and simplify each of these many exponential equations by themselves. So therefore x to the 1 over 4 will equal 2. Therefore x is equal to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. On the other side of the equation it's very simple, because then we'll have x to the power of 1 over 4 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Let us do another example of a similar type of trinomial. What you should pick up is that in these types of questions, that fraction is always half of that fraction. So in this case again, it's a disguised trinomial. So we factorize and we have two brackets, x to the 1 over 6 and x to the 1 over 6 minus 2 minus 3. Because minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 6. We again go and solve each side. So therefore we'll have x to the 1 over 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x to the 1 over 6 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 to the power of 6, which is equal to 64. Or on the other side, x to the 1 over 6 minus 3 must be equal to 0. Therefore x will equal 3. So x to the 1 over 6 will equal 3. Therefore x will equal 3 to the power of 6, which is equal to 729. A more complicated disguised trinomial. Again in this case we notice that the power there is double the size of that power there. So again we have a disguised trinomial. It will be x to the 1 over 6, but of course that is a 2, so we'll have a 2 there, and x to the 1 over 6 is equal to 0. We're going to use the factors of 12, a minus and a minus, and we want to end up with minus 11 in total, so it's going to be 3 there and 4 there, because 2 times 4 gives us negative 8, minus 3 gives us negative 11. Okay. Again, if the two brackets multiplied together give us 0, then either the left-hand bracket, 2x to the 1 over 6 minus 3, is equal to 0, or the right-hand bracket, x to the power of 1 over 6 minus 4, must be equal to 0. Therefore, x to the 1 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 6. We'll need some nimble calculator work, and that will give you an 11,39. On this side, we're going to have x to the 1 over 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 to the power of 6, which is equal to 4096. Here are 3 homework problems for you to apply your mind to. Just a hint in the first question. Before you attempt to factorize that, take the 5 across to the other side so that your equation is then in your standard format of x squared plus is equal to 0. Again, here are the solutions to the homework, and if neither you or I have made a mistake, then these are the correct answers.